Hi guys, my name's Chris Appleton and I'm here today with Colour Wow and Forever 21, and we've teamed up to show you some of this summer's biggest hair trends. Step one is all about creating volume in the hair. I'm going to use one of my favourite products, the brass band. Now mousses, I always kind of had a bit of a stigma attached to it because they were sticky and heavy. This mousse is nothing like that. It's a brand new formula which is light and fresh in the hair. It creates an amazing amount of volume and texture, and it also tones the hair with the colour. So what I love about this product is you can really layer it. So you can put it in right at the root and then just take some sections all around the hairline and apply like so. And then with your fingers, use your fingers like a comb, just kind of drag it through the hair and it will naturally come through the mid-lengths and ends. So always start at the roots, and that's where we want the volume. So I'm going to put Katz's head upside down and we're going to dry it in the direction of the ponytail. Trust me, this will make your life so much easier later on when you're trying to get that high pony. So what we're going to do before we put the ponytail in is we're going to put a braid in the hair. Now this is a look that you've seen on a lot of celebrities and it's become a real trend. Now when the hair is freshly washed, sometimes it can be a little soft and you just need a little bit of gloss or something in there to give it a little bit more flexibility when you're braiding the hair. So I'm going to use the Pop and Lock from Colour Wow. Just run it through the section that you're about to braid, and it just gives you a little bit more navigation. It also gives the hair a great gloss. Okay, so when braiding, I'm just going to split the hair into three using my fingers. Start with your sections as neat as you can. I find if you start neater, it stays cleaner as you go throughout. So I'm just using a small clear elastic just to secure the braid. So guys, I'm using the Pop and Lock throughout the roots again and really building it up because it makes my life so much easier when we put it into a ponytail. All the flyaways are compressed and we get that super glossy finish, so the hair looks super expensive and luxurious, and I'm all about that. So now we've got the hair high. You can tie your hair with a regular elastic. I just used a bungee hook because it makes it a little tighter. And what I'm going to do now is show you how to spice up this braid and add a little bit of detail. So we're going to be using these hair rings to really spice up the ponytail and give it that key trend that you've seen a lot of celebrities wear. And it's simply a case of opening the hoop, sliding it underneath the braid and closing it. Have as much fun as you want with it. You can put a couple in just for a little detail, or you can build it up. So once you've got your ponytail in, it's up to you on how you want to detail it. For me, this does all the talking, but I am just going to add a little wave in the ponytail now. So I'm just going to grab some sections. I'm going to use a large curling iron and just loosely wrap it around to give the hair a bit of a girly, playful bend, so your ponytail flicks from side to side. Okay guys, I just finished the ponytail off. I'm going to let you into one of my secrets that I use on so many of my clients. I'm going to use the Colour Wow root touch up, and I'm literally going to colour in and blend where you can see the gaps in the ponytail, and this will make your ponytail look so much thicker and healthier and so much more luxurious. Okay guys, this is the finished look. So this look is perfect for a girl's night out. It's super fun and playful. In a few simple steps, it's really easy to upgrade your basic ponytail into something that will definitely catch people's attention. Okay, thanks for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. If you want any more inspiration, you can follow me on my Instagram, ChrisAppleton1, and you can see all the looks and the celebrities I work with. Please tag me in your pictures. I would love to see your creations.